Dana Osgood joins us with your forecast. If you were fortunate enough to spend a little time in the sunshine today felt great. If you were in the shade, it wasn't as great, but in the sunshine, it felt very good.
I know this is where we get into this time of year where the sun actually feels like it's doing something. Where in the winter you're like, oh, like it's sunny, it's nice, but I don't feel any warmer. But today
was it.
Today was nice.
Yeah.
I know, we're gonna get a couple more days of this, which is always great to see. So high temperatures are a little bit above average, and that's gonna continue for most of the week, especially as we get into the weekend as well. In Portland today, high temperature was 38, 37 in Wiscasset, 36 in Augusta. As I said, above average temperatures are going to continue, especially as we get into the weekend as well. I'll talk more about that in just a few minutes, but just like we were talking about, plenty of sunshine throughout the day today. A little bit of extra cloud cover in far eastern Washington County, but still overall, most of us seeing plenty of sunshine. Now, low temperatures, once again, are also going to be a bit above average for this time of year. A little bit chillier up in northern Maine, single digits and into the teens, but closer to the coast tonight, it's going to be in the mid to upper 20s. And then each day as we go, once again, are also going to be a bit above average. Now, as we go over the next couple of days, high pressure was in control over the weekend and to start the week, and that really isn't going to change as we go over the next couple of days. Really, we're just going to be talking about the nuances of cloud cover. So as we get later overnight tonight, we will start to build in some of that cloud cover, but by the time we get into early tomorrow morning and into the afternoon as well, most of that will be out of our area, and we'll have mostly sunny skies throughout the day, with the exception of the northern mountains holding on to that cloud cover a little bit more. Then as we get into Wednesday night into Thursday, a little bit more cloud cover builds in for overnight, insulating our temperatures a little bit. But then once again, as we get into the afternoon, those clouds move out of our area, and most of us will be having plenty of sunshine once again, with the exception, I think, of the southern coast. We'll have a little bit more cloud cover overall on Thursday, but still, it's going to be a lot of the same forecast as we really go over the next couple of days. Once we get into Friday, we will start to build in some more cloud cover because ahead of a system for over the weekend that isn't really going to give us much precipitation at all. And that's what we're watching right now. We can see that high pressure up to our north, keeping away all of our systems until we get into the weekend. Now, this system right now has been bringing a lot of moisture to Southern California in the form of an atmospheric river, which is an area of a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, which brought record-breaking rainfall to the southern coast of California and inland, with snowfall in the highlands as well. Now, once this moisture gets kind of involved with another system across the central U.S., by the time it gets here, there really isn't going to be much left of it. It's really going to break up a lot. And so we're looking at really just overnight Saturday into Sunday, a couple of rain and snow showers, but not much precipitation in this forecast. Most of the larger systems are going to move offshore. However, we are going to see an increase in temperatures. We're already starting this week above average, and that's going to continue once we get into Friday and into the weekend. I think Saturday is our best chance for temps possible in the 50s. So for our marine forecast, seas 2 to 4 feet. We do have a small craft advisory in effect until later tonight. But the 7-day forecast is very indicative of high pressure being in control, plenty of sunshine over the next couple of days. We are going to start increasing our temperatures, like I mentioned. But Brian and Amanda, when I start talking about the nuances of cloud cover from day to day, that's usually the sign of a good forecast. But I do want to point out two things we're missing from this winter is we're already below average for snowfall at this point, and we haven't seen a lot of stretches of exceptionally cold weather.
Yeah, strange winter.
Yeah.
All right, Dana.
Things can still change, though.
They can. Thank you.